I mean, as of yesterday, I was binge watching on this particular series on Netflix. It's called Selling Sunset, and season two is here. It's all about real estate in Los Angeles and in all that Hollywood area. Yeah, LA and that Hollywood Boulevard, I think it's called. But it's a reality TV series, and it's so addictive. Yeah, I mean, basically it follows the lives of these six women who are real estate agents, and how they go about, and it's all real time, like as in it's not scripted. Yeah. So you get to see the fact that you can belong to the complete upper crust of the planet, and still have the kind of issues that people in Maritpalli would have, or in in some part, in some town, in some place, in some tiny little city in India, in Hyderabad would have, because human emotions are the same everywhere. So try and catch it, people. It's called Selling Sunset, and it's on Netflix, and it is such a cool show to watch. So on that note, thanks for watching, and please subscribe.